Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to radio button. So you can create a radio button by using the input text. You can type input and in here you can set into radio. You can set for the text. I will set example. Okay, you can click file, save, and then I will open in browser. So we have this radio button. Another option, you can apply these radio buttons in the form text. Like you can type here, form, and I will delete for the action. Press enter. Now you can type like choose. And in here you can insert for the input text. Type into radio. And I will set the names like number 1. The seconds, type again input. Type radio. And I will set the names number 02. You can save and refresh the browser to be create for the forms with the number 1 and number 2. So if you want to click between these two numbers, you can set name tag in here, name with the tag choose, okay, with this option choose. And again, you can set the name choose. After it, you can save and then refresh again. Now you can click between this number. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to radio button.